So today I'll be sharing how you can make money online in 2022 as a Nigerian living in Nigeria. I'll be sharing how you can make money online. Yes, so most of the side gigs I'll be talking about do not require you stepping out of your home. Yes, the only thing you'll be needing is your mobile phone with access to a good internet connection, and that is all. These are actually the major things you'll be needing. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, thank you for always engaging, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button to join the team today. So today I'll be sharing how you can make money online in 2022 as a Nigerian living in Nigeria. I'll be sharing how you can make money online. Yes guys, let us sit and discuss. ASU strike is on. We know that the rate of unemployment in the country is alarming. Yes, it's very alarming. We just can't keep our arms folded and expect results while not putting in effort. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make money online as a Nigerian living in Nigeria in 2022. And if you're a stay-at-home mom, you need something else like a side hustle you can do that will accommodate your schedule. Yes, your day-to-day schedule, then this video is for you. Or if you're just looking for another way or an alternative way of making money passively, yes, with your phone, then this video is for you. Most of the side gigs I'll be talking about do not require you stepping out of your home. Yes, the only thing you'll be needing is your mobile phone with access to a good internet connection, and that is all. These are actually the major things you'll be needing. These side gigs can be done anywhere, from the comfort of your home, from your office during your break time. These side gigs can be done. So if this resonates with you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So the first one I'll be talking about is dropshipping. Yes, you guys know I am a crooner of dropshipping, and I won't stop talking about dropshipping until it is out in like everywhere. And it's just so amazing with the way I've been talking about dropshipping. Most people still don't know about dropshipping. Most times whenever I get invited to talk to a group of people about dropshipping, I usually ask them who knows something about dropshipping, or have you heard the word dropshipping before, or are you doing dropshipping? And over 80-85% of people in that group or in those groups do not know what dropshipping is all about. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply the art of buying and selling without having to stock up goods. Yes, you're like the middleman. This is the seller here, and this is the end user, the consumer of that product. You are the middle agent between the supplier and the end user of that product. So what you just need is to have access to a supplier who imports goods or manufactures those goods here in Nigeria or imports overseas, and start marketing. Yes, once you get a customer, you collect your money from the customer and pay the supplier. So always make sure you had your own profit to any amount the supplier is giving you. I have a lot of videos on this channel where I talked extensively on how to start drop shipping. I'll link that video right up here. I also have another video where I gave access to contact of tested and trusted suppliers you can drop ship for. Yes, these are people I started drop shipping with, and they are all amazing people. Yes, I started dropshipping in the year 2015. Yeah, 2015, 7 years ago. Yes, so when I tell you about dropshipping, just know that I know what I'm talking about. Yes, 7 years in dropshipping. So I also have another video where I gave contact of tested and trusted suppliers you can dropship for. I'll also link that video right up here. You can check the description of this video. I'll also link those videos right in the description box, so please check them out. You'll be glad you did. Yes, you can make a whole lot of money from dropshipping. I have many people I have taught dropshipping, and they are doing so well for themselves when it comes to dropshipping. So please, if you're at home, you're a student currently on strike, you're a stay-at-home mom looking for ways you can earn money, you can make so much money on dropshipping. I recently introduced a colleague to dropshipping, and she was telling me how much she has made. Guys, I was so happy from her. When I tell you that you can make a whole lot of money from dropshipping, please believe me. Yes, I don't want to quote a figure, but then you can make a whole lot of money from dropshipping. If you're somebody looking for an alternative way of making money, a stay-at-home mom, a student, please consider dropshipping as the first option. The second type gig I'll be talking about is becoming a virtual tutor. What does becoming a virtual tutor means? A virtual tutor is somebody who teaches people online. Yes, it could be a skill set you're very good at, it could be a subject you're good at. Yes, anything you know you're good at, then you can start teaching people online. If you're an accountant, look at the likes of Chioma Accounting Up. She's doing so well for herself in the online space. She's an accountant, and she has made accounting simplified to people and businesses. Go and look at that woman, Chioma Accounting Up. Look her up on Facebook. Just go and study that woman. She's a school. as if she's a business school you should go and study. You can be an accountant, you're very experienced, you want to start to teach people, you want to start teaching people or businesses little accounting skills such as data taking, data entry, and the likes of those very simple things you know people can do without having to go to school. You only simplify them, create courses, and start teaching people. If you're a graphic designer, you can start teaching people. You know about importation, like you know about importation, well, you can start teaching people how to import. I'm an importation coach, and I can say that so far the money I've made from teaching people is almost close to the profit I have made so far from importation. Yes, if you know how to import and you're a professional, you can start teaching people. You know about how to start a business, you can start teaching people. Any skill set you know very well, you can start teaching people. You could be baking as well. I have people online who are teaching people how to make chin, how to make yogurt, how to make ice cream for as low as 100 naira. So let's say that maybe you just put out that training, the training online, and you have 50 persons. Yes, 50 times 1,000 is how much? 50,000 naira, just from the comfort of your home, just by teaching people, impacting people what you know very well, what you're good at, so you can make a whole lot of money just from whatever it is you're doing. Just make sure that people are always getting value. If you're a YouTuber, you have experience in YouTubing, you can teach people how to start their YouTube channel with little or nothing. Yes, with just your phone, you can put a price tag on it and start teaching people. I recently finished a class on how to become how to start your YouTube channel, where I answered questions and answers. It wasn't free, but I made sure that people got value. Yes, people got value from that class. So that is the main thing. When you impact value, when you have something valuable to teach, there will always be an audience waiting for you. So whatever skill set you know you're very good at, you can teach people. Why not create something out of that and impact people and get paid in return? Yes, it could be tailoring. You can be a tailor, you know how to make dresses very well. Please check out Baliki's signature. There was a time she was taking beginners, just little things about tailoring, and I think then this was about 2-3 years ago or thereabout, because I even wanted to register. Yes, my mom is actually a tailor, so I have little idea when it comes to tailoring. She was taking beginners for maybe 10,000 or 15,000 naira then. Oh, so now I know it to be close to maybe 40 or 50,000 naira now. So if you're even a tailor that knows what you're doing, you can create short courses online for people to learn about tailoring and put a price tag on it. Make sure you're giving valuable content to people. Let them get value for their money. So that's that about virtual tutoring. Third one I'll be talking about is assisting business with CSC registration. Yes, assisting businesses with CSC registration. So if you have a lawyer friend who knows about CSC registration or who does CSC registration, you can liaise with such person. Oh friend, oh please, I have a business idea. How much do you do CSC registration for businesses, for liabilities? There are different aspects on that CSC registration. Ask them for their price and tell them that, okay, I want to be your marketer. Let's say your marketer. I would advertise to people that I do CSC registration. But whenever I get a gig, you will be the one to do it. I'll just up my own profit. You can ask them for a good price. Yes, they won't give you the rate of price they give to businesses. They'll give you a price lesser than what they give businesses. Then you add your own profit. You can add like 5,000 naira to it. Start marketing that. You can help businesses with CSC registration. You can also ask such person to give you reviews from previous work he or she has done. Start advertising online, on Instagram, on Facebook, or any platform you know you can advertise. Once you get gigs from businesses, then go back to your lawyer friend and tell them, okay, I have a gig now, but since it after getting that gig, remove your own profit and hand the rest over to the person assisting with that business registration, your lawyer friend. And that is another way of making money. Look around you for trusted and tested people who do registration for businesses, their CSC registration for businesses, and liaise with them, make an agreement with them today and start earning something. Yes, please, we are not sleeping this 2022. The fourth one I'll be talking about is WhatsApp TV. Yes, so if you're somebody who has a large or a wide audience on your WhatsApp, people that regularly view your status all the time, like maybe 500 views upward or even up to 1,000 upwards, you can be a WhatsApp influencer. There are many businesses looking for WhatsApp TV. Yes, people who can help them advertise their products on their WhatsApp status to reach a wide audience. If you're somebody who has a wider reach on WhatsApp, yes, many people are always on standby ready to view your WhatsApp status, then this is for you. If you're somebody who has up to 500 plus 1,000 plus views on your WhatsApp status, it is time to put this into you. The fifth side gig I'll be talking about is customer support service. You help businesses to take their orders on WhatsApp, respond to their emails, or respond to their Instagram DMs. Yes, there are so many businesses online on Instagram who need people who can always help them take orders on either WhatsApp, Telegram, or Instagram. Also for personnel like Choma of Accounting Hub or Nelly of Niger Brand Cheeks or Osla Square, you can always help them to enroll people into a course. Maybe they have a course going on As a customer support personnel, your work is to help them enroll people who have paid into that class or into the online platform. Yes, this is actually something you might not get so much, but then it is better than just sitting at home. It also builds your experience over the time and you become an expert in that field. Even when you're an expert, you can start training people and also earn from that. So these are the 5 online side gigs you can do to make money as a student, as a stay-at-home mom, or if you're looking for alternate ways you can earn online. Yes, there will be a part 2 of this video. Stay tuned, there will be a part 2 of this video. There are still other 5 side gigs you can do from the comfort of your home to make money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please, if you find it helpful, please like, comment, and also share this video. Please help me share to your friends, to your families, to your friend enemies, to your village people. Please help me share it out there. If you're interested in starting your dropshipping career, I have a group for dropshippers who dropship my products. I'll put a link to that group in the description box as well. Also, it will be pinned in the comment section. Yes, please check it out. But please know that you'll be paying a sum of 1,500 naira, a commitment fee of 1,500 naira, because I don't just want people to join anyhow and be in that group not doing anything, not making efforts. Please note that you have to pay a commitment fee of 1,500 naira. This is about maybe $4 to join the group. Thank you for watching. Also, if you would love to learn about importation or how to start your app business with little or no capital, I'll put the link also in the description box. You can check it out and check the fee attached to it. You also need a one-on-one mentorship section with me. Yes, a guidance and mentorship section. I'll put the link to book a section with me in the comment section. If you have any business idea you want me to talk about or any video request, please drop your suggestions for me in the comment section. I will definitely see it, research, and make a video about it. I have a lot of videos on this channel on side hustle, on different businesses you can start with little or no capital or with very minimal capital. I'll link those videos right up here. I'll also put a link in the description box below. Till I come your way next time, catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all.